Everyone, you're welcome to another section of Solve a Math Problem with Coach Joe. Now, today's question, we have calculate the smaller angle between the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock at 3:24 a.m. Okay, yeah, this is a question that has to do with the clock. And as we all know, we have the minute hand of the clock, that's the longer one, while we have the hour hand of the clock, which is the shorter hand. Now, there are some interesting facts that we need to know when it comes to angles between the hour hand and the minute hand. Now, for the hour hand to move, to tick once, the minute hand will have to move 12 times. Okay, I'll take that again. For the hour hand to move once, the minute hand will have to move forward 12 times. Okay, so for every 12 times movement, of the minute hand, it results to one movement of the hour hand. Okay, so if the minute hand moves 12 times, that's for every 12 minutes. From the minute hand, the hour hand ticks once. All right. So if we look at this, the question says at 3:24 a.m. For 3:24 a.m., we have the minute hand at 24, which is we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 24 stages at 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have this. Okay, then 3:24 means that the hour hand, which is the short one, would have moved how many times? Remember, for 24 minutes. It means that if for every 12 times movement of the minute hand, the hour hand moves once, then for 24 minutes, the hour hand will move 2 times. Here is the hour hand. Okay, and this is the minute hand. So with this, we have the hour hand moving 1, 2. That's moving from here, 1, 2, and it is there. Okay, so we have the hour hand at this point, which if you tick forward, it comes to this end, and here it gets to this end. So from that question, we want to see the smaller angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. Now, this is the angle in question that we need to calculate. All right, so let's get to see. For how many ticks do we have? How many vertical lines do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 vertical lines. Okay, so 7 vertical lines times. Now, what are we going to multiply with? Now, between the vertical lines, we have 60. So, since we have 60 minutes, for the minute hand to go round, it has to go 60 times. Okay, we have to move 60 times. And in a circle, we have 360 degrees. So we divide it by 60. So for each vertical line, each vertical movement, what angle do we have there? So this gives us 0 cancel 0, 6 here 1, 6 here 6. So it is 6 degrees. So for each vertical, the angle between two vertical minute readings is 6 degrees. Now with this, 7 times 6 will give us 42 degrees. And that is the smaller angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. That is 42 degrees. I hope this explanation helps. Stay tuned, get to solve more questions on this, and we'll see you in the next session. Bye.